Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Twistables pencil crayon. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this awesome, simplistic instructional video. All right, so this will be a simple tutorial, easy tutorial, full tutorial for using one of these, a Twistables pencil crayon, okay? My kids, I have 4 kids, my kids love these, okay? And I figured, you know what, might as well make a tutorial on how to use them because maybe there's someone out there that wants to know how to use them, how to open and close them. Okay, it's really, really simple. As you can see, it is basically a pencil crayon, okay? But with a regular pencil crayon, you have to sharpen it. With this, what it has is it has a mechanism that will force the pencil crayon, like the actual stuff that makes the color, out from the sort of the shaft of this, which will allow it to create the color. So instead of sharpening it, you're just forcing it out, okay? Now, if you look right here, here's the side where the actual pencil crayon, you know, like the actual coloring part is, and then this is just a clear side over here on the sort of on the lower end of it. Now what you want to do is you want to twist this. Now you'll see I'm twisting this clockwise, okay, like a clockwise, and it is coming out. Okay, so now I can use that pencil crayon to color. Okay, and when you're done, it's to prevent it from breaking and to prevent it from leaving marks everywhere. You can twist it counterclockwise, and that's going to retract it back. And you can see the actual pencil crayon, let me get it to focus, is actually turning. Okay, it's actually turning. So it's very simple. You twist it clockwise, okay, to bring the pencil crayon out. And then you twist it counterclockwise to bring the pencil crayon back in, okay? And obviously, if you want to make it last a long time, you only twist out a little bit at a time. Like you would use it with that much, let's say, right? You wouldn't go twist it like this and then go use it because guess what? Then that's, you know, it's more prone to breaking and you don't want that. So just as a little piece of advice, only put, you know, only put a little bit out at each time. And then when you've used that and you wear it down, then you twist out a little bit more. That's it. That is how to use a Twistables pencil crayon. Easy instructions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.